so I do this as a volunteer. So I do work for Cardiff Council, and in 2013 I was approached by two ladies that had disabled children with profound disabilities. They wanted somewhere where they could bring their children with their other children's siblings to a play provision on a weekend. And that's where the charity journey started for me, really.
And they want to find ways of continuing it themselves beyond council funding. One of the things they wanted was that everyone had a say, so all the parents were involved in developing it, all the parents were involved in designing it.
The parents have all got different skills and different ideas, which is fantastic when you've got a project like this. And also for the parents to sit and have a cup of coffee with another parent to go, oh, I could tell you the tales of woe, which that helps a lot for them.
I have got two children who come with me, Logan and Lucas. One of them has got autism and Horner syndrome, and Logan was always really shy, didn't want to mix with anybody, but since coming here he has improved tenfold. He has got empathy towards others, he's really confident in playing with children here, and he has got his own little group of friends, which is lovely to see because it's something which he didn't have before coming to Cwtch. I am the secretary. I deal with a lot of the emails and I plan a lot of the activities, and it is quite a lot of fun because you get the ideas from what they want to do, and then that is the reason for the messy play today, was because that was what they wanted. So that it is all child-led activities.
Did you say messy play?
Messy play.
So I've been here 3 years now, volunteer, just started looking for something to do really, helping out on a Saturday. Honestly, it's changed my life. I love being able to communicate in different ways and just making them happy.
Without Joe's help right from the very start with Kids to Cooperate, we wouldn't be where we are now. It's shining. I feel so excited to see that from that point to where it is now, and it can only get better.
I get to see my children develop. They have gained so much confidence and they're just happy here. I love to come down, helping out. It is fun. It is fun to watch a child develop, watch them do something new they haven't done before, and now you get to see the benefits. Saturday is now named Cwtch Day in our house. We don't have Saturday, it is Cwtch Day. And that he's just counting down the days until he comes every week, so it's lovely.